Here I have POCO F4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on 3 stripes, then go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So to enable custom watermark you have to firstly enable device watermark, and now you can add some custom text, like up to 14 characters, so you can like enter your real name, your nickname, I don't know, maybe name of something you like. I'm just gonna enter HardReset.Info, and now we'll show you how it look like on a photo, just like this. HardReset.Info. Nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.